G'day guys, we're doing it, we're live, make sure we're all good, hope everyone's doing good. It's Friday afternoon, it's fantastic, I've got my sandwich. So I didn't think I had an event for today, so that's alright though. Usually Fridays I'm streaming anyway, so today's final day of Pester tests, which is fantastic. We're going to be in a good spot, a really good spot. Before we get started though, ternary operators for finally getting added to PowerShell, which is really cool. I think it's a really cool feature. There was like an implementation using functions. Well, I looked at it and then I thought, nah, it's probably I'm just going to wait around for the ternary operators. What's going on here is we've got, well, it's actually PowerShell 7, so instead of obviously if, else, blah, you can write it more compact. So yeah, if you haven't used ternary operators in C#, basically what you're doing is you're just writing a single line if else statement, if then else statement. So yeah, it's really cool. Currently at the moment, I believe it's neck and neck between these two. I do think the middle one's going to win. I actually voted for the... Oh, sorry, I've got to actually focus on it. I actually voted for the first one, which is just B equals dollar and colon. That's just because it's more C-sharpy. So each their own. Slack channel, I kind of think I fired up the Slack channel though because, yeah. I also said we should have voted for get disk, remove disk because I think that would be a pretty fun prank to play. That would be a good April Fool's joke. Yeah, so it's all flopping around at the moment out there. But yeah, also guys, while I'm mentioning it, guys, go follow the BrizPug Twitch channel. So we're going to be streaming to that channel for all our meetups. I will be hosting it on this channel, on my channel, my Twitch channel. But basically we're going to be trying to push all the traffic that way. It's just that we've got sponsorship and we actually need to be able to account for our views. So and have a bit of an idea of how many people are actually watching it online. Anyway, check this out. Also go check out twitch.tv BrizPug. It's hosting me at the moment, so but this is where all the content will go. Make sure you go follow this. Yeah, all good. All right, let's get stuck into it. So back to functions lamb. I'm gonna be enjoying my sandwich. And goal is to try and smash this out. Yeah, so we've run we've got all our hang on, I'll open up a new function. Sorry, Visual Studio Code. We've got tests. We've got the 3 out of the 4 done. So the final one we need to do is HTTP receive job. This is going to be this one here. So what we're going to need to do is go to send job and grab all this. We're going to basically copy this into HTTP receive job. HTTP receive job? Yes, because requesting is actually requesting the job. Receive job is actually getting the job back. So chuck that back. This is going to probably be the most lengthy of the processes, but same process there. So I'm going to update this. So we're going to go HTTP receive job. So we've pretty much tested it. So now it's all just a matter of writing the Pester test. receive job. Alrighty. So same process, building all this back up. This code can stay the same for in the before all, so it's actually building the initial request. Fetching response, decoding it, dot sourcing it in. So it's actually just going through that full process, which is fine. That's fine. So from that, what we can do is keep clicking down. It's an expected response. I don't really need to know about the response, so we can just null that out. And now we're going to fetch it. So this is going to be fun. So now to fetch it. Oh, I've got a donut. I just totally forgot about that. So for us to fetch it, what we're going to need to do. Is that custard or is that cream? I think that's cream. Well, this is going to be fun. Hey, Glenn. Also no music, but that's expected. Yeah, I can chuck some music on if you guys want. I was actually thinking about writing a bot so that basically people can actually change tracks and do things in the background. I'm too lazy to at the moment. Let me chuck some music on. Give me 2 secs. Yeah, donuts. Give me 2 secs, mate. Give me 2 secs. The biggest problem is that because this is I'm technically not a Twitch affiliate, so okay, I've met the criteria for a Twitch affiliate status, but I'm not an actual Twitch affiliate, so I'm not ingesting income. So this is being restreamed, simulcasted to YouTube and Twitch, and so the problem with it is that if I put any sort of music that's known, it basically YouTube gets a copyright strike. So it gets pretty annoying. So while we're doing that, I'll just quickly check the stock price, because I was watching a stock price occasionally today, and I was just getting my socks blown off. This last couple of days, it's just gone off the charts in terms of someone's trying to push the price up, where someone's actually legitimately trying to hold it back, and it's kind of shoring it up, and yeah, someone's gonna, yeah. You got hit by the muting too. Yeah, it's really frustrating. So what I do is I just generally, what I actually do is I head over to SoundCloud. SoundCloud's all right. The only problem is that it's pretty trash when it comes to like I use Audio Jungle, and obviously yeah they put their thing in there, but it gets a little annoying when you hear Audio Jungle, Audio Jungle, Audio Jungle. I'm like, okay, yeah. Anyway, so royalty free music. I try and keep it as legit as possible, so I don't have to deal with it. Playlist me, no Audio Jungle this time, and chill out, because generally, so how's your week been, man? How's your week been? Royalty free. See if this one's alright. Oh yeah, it's pretty average. Week's been okay. Oh yeah. Did you get like any good wins? Any good losses, or any learned losses? Smash and face and Ruby 2.4. Oh, okay. That's there. That'll do it. today's been one of those weeks. You should talk to Jordan, because Jordan did that lightning talk, yeah, and I think like he'd be really good, because obviously you guys are similar tech, so he's obviously Ansible in your Puppet, but he might be a really good resource for you to kind of, because yeah, I think he's learned a lot of, like he's learned the lessons of that as well. Just create process API calls an absolute nightmare. And then it's donuts good. Anyway. Oh, my screen's gone all wonky. Jeez. So for some reason, my screen's black, but if I'm looking at the recording, it's fine. So I'm just gonna... Oh man, it is really fouling. I'm just gonna restart you. I'm just gonna restart VS Code for a sec. Back to the PS. Yeah. Man, my Visual Studio Code is literally having a freak out right now. I'm literally looking at a white screen. This is fantastic. I might just quickly go AFK for a sec, because I might need to do some work in the background. 2 secs. Oh, no. Okay, something wrong with it. So if I trying to capture...
This is a preview file.
I think I might need to restart my computer. I'm going to be back. Give me 2 secs. I'm going to need to restart my computer.
This is a